Hi everyone. Right, so I thought I'd do a quick vlog today because I'm actually out and about doing some bits. It's my mum's birthday and I'm hosting. When I say hosting, literally just me and my sisters. I've already picked her a couple of bits up to make her like a little hamper, but we're off to Oldham today. Just to finish the hamper off, I'll get her a nice Asian outfit. And there's nothing really local to us, so we're heading to Oldham today. So I thought I'd film some of that street where we generally go to get the clothes. And there's one shop that I really like because I think it's really good value for money and it does some really nice suits. So I thought I'd show you that as well and just take you along for the ride. And then later on, we will be baking the cake, and then I'll probably film some of the like morning with my mum and stuff and just see how it pans out. So I'll probably see you at the shops. Welcome to George Street. I'm sure it is George Street. This is predominantly where I think the Asian shops are in Oldham. The good thing about this place is the sizing, really big sizing. So if you're looking for that, you know, it's a really good place to come. And these are $7.50 at the minute. These outfits. Summer outfit. You're still going to get some heat anyway, and they've actually got matching children ones. So, and there's these ones. This is really pretty. Yeah. Clothes shops. You've got these ones here. I haven't them because they've got suits that as well. Let's have a look. Bam. Right. Oh, can't get in. I'm gonna go to Tesco and my first time making a birthday cake, so I'm off to get the sugar-free, well, cake mix. What can go wrong? Right, I've just got to Home Bargains because I've just realised I don't actually have anything to make a little balloon arch, so I need to go and do that. Well, let's go. Thought I'd quickly pick this up myself. Right. This is where I need to go. I get this one, I think, this bag. What I like for that one, but I don't think it's big enough, so we'll get this one. They've got no balloon arches, so I'm getting these and I'm going to improvise because I think that's the best way for me to do it. There's nothing else. So the last thing that I need to get is like cake bakes. I'm hoping they've got cake tins and stuff down here, or like a baking bit. I'm sure Home Bag gives you like a baking section. Bear with. Yes! Right, last pit stop of the day is Tesco because we couldn't find the sugar-free cake mix. And I'm not going to pretend to know what I'm doing and try and do it myself because I will completely fluff it up. So we're at a big Tesco near me, so fingers crossed they've actually got what I need. And then that's it, I can actually go home and start the prep because I've still got so much to do. Bear in mind, I've still got to go to Aldi in the morning and get the fresh fruit on the sandwich stuff because what am I doing? So yeah, Tesco.
We're not going to the bakery.
Look how nice some flowers are. No. No, actually, they're my favourite. This is actually the most exercise I've done 5 weeks postpartum. I've not run around so much in a day for ages. We've hit the baking section in Tesco and we've not got what I'm looking for. I'm gonna lose my mind. Right, I am back home and I'm going to just quickly make some tea, then I'm going to tackle this cake. But I'm going to show you what I actually picked up in order to make this cake. So in the end, I couldn't find anything sugar-free, but I thought, screw it, I'm going to make a cake anyway. So I got this, and these from Tesco. God, that looks really nice. I mean, how much better than that? My cake looks like that. Then I got these bits from Home of the Bargains, a cake dish, some vanilla flavour, and then one of these thingy-mabobs to put it on. And I'm hoping it turns out the way it's supposed to. It's got three simple. She's in. I'm actually knackered. Right, we need to go and do the balloons. Don't think it's terrible, but it's not the best, but I need to go to bed and I'll probably film a little bit. Right, it's next day. I've been to Aldi and got some bits, and all I've done is that's it. That's all we're having, some pizza quiche, bits and bobs, and that's the cake. It's not great, it's not terrible, but I'm just going to end the vlog here because my mum's on her way and we've got to put happy birthday on an Urdu and make sure she understands what's actually going on. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.